Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to save for later items on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and head to Amazon's website. Once you're in the website, make sure you're logged into your account. And now, search for the item you want to buy or would like to buy in the future. Now simply click on Add to Cart. Again, choose any of the product you would like to buy in the future and simply click on Add to Cart. Now we'll check our cart by simply clicking at the top right corner. Now as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3 items on our cart. Now while checking the products, you can see Save for Later button. Click on it. And just like that, we have saved products in our Save for Later items section. And that's it. That's how you can save for later items on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.